How to turn off voicemail on Android phone. If you have an Android phone, it may differ from device to device, but the general settings is the same to turn off your voicemail. Before we begin, if you're new to the channel, please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's dive in. First of all, open your phone's dialer and then go to the three dots right here. From here, open your settings. As I have said before, it may differ from device to device. So as you can see, I have a Samsung phone and this is the default Samsung phone dialer. And I have my voicemail option right here. But if you can't see your voicemail option right away after you have settings, you might find some kind of additional settings on your SIM 1 or SIM 2. You can find your voicemail setting in those options. So once you've found your voicemail option, just tap on it. And as you can see, there is an option that says set mail number. Right now, I have not set any, but if you have, you can see your number inserted right here like so. So if you have set any kind of number here, what you can do is just delete it and click on OK. As you can see, the voicemail number is changed and it's changed to not set. So after you have removed the number on your voicemail, it will be automatically deleted. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.